Good morning, and welcome to another episode of the Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. Some reminders arrive right on time, especially when the world feels loud and crowded with other people's milestones. Today's quote speaks to the quiet truth that no two paths were ever meant to look the same. Your journey is unique. Comparison only clouds the view. This quote reminds us that comparison doesn't just distract us, it distorts us. When we measure our life against someone else's timeline, we stop seeing what is actually unfolding in front of us. We lose clarity not because our path is wrong, but because we're looking sideways instead of forward. Every journey carries its own terrain, pace, and purpose. What looks like progress for someone else may not even belong on your road. The moment you release comparison, your view clears. You begin to notice your own growth, your own lessons, and the quiet ways you are moving forward, even if no one else can see it yet. Clarity comes from presence, not positioning. When you honor the uniqueness of your path, you reclaim the ability to walk it with steadiness, patience, and trust. Morning intention. Today, I choose to focus on my own path, not someone else's pace. During the day, if comparison shows up, pause and gently ask, what is mine to tend to right now? Evening reflection. Where did I notice progress today that comparison once made me overlook? Simple tool or tip. When comparison arises, name it silently as mental fog. Then bring your attention back to one small step directly in front of you. Clarity returns. When attention returns, related quotes. The path reveals itself to those who keep walking it. And you see clearly when you stop looking over your shoulder. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.